Yates Dynamic Lifter plant food pellets for tomatoes, veggies and herbs is specially blended to promote a healthy and productive veggie patch. It contains fast-acting and slow-release nutrients to feed your veggies and herbs for up to 2 months. Yates Dynamic Lifter tomatoes, veggies and herbs is boosted with nitrogen for stronger growth, extra phosphorus for longer roots, and is high in potassium for bigger veggies. It also contains calcium for healthier tomatoes and added iron for greener leaves. Use Yates Dynamic Lifter tomatoes, veggies and herbs when planting new plants and to feed established and potted plants. Mix into the soil when planting and reapply around the root zone of established plants every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing and fruiting seasons to keep them well fed and promote healthy soil. Water in well after applying. For a healthy and productive veggie patch, use Yates Dynamic Lifter plant food pellets for tomatoes, veggies and herbs.